Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can record yourself playing Roblox on your mobile device in 2023. This works the same way for iPhone users as well as Android users. So first things first, make sure that they have the Roblox application installed, and then we want to log in into Roblox. Obviously we want to select the game that we're going to play, right? So just log in into Roblox. Don't mind it being buggy right now, it's just a screen recorder. And right here we can obviously select the game. Now how do we record? I'm not gonna launch an actual game, but how do we record? Now, did you guys know that most of your phones have an actual built-in recorder, screen recorder? So iPhones have a built-in screen recorder as well as Android devices. So all you need to do to access the screen recorder is drop down this menu from the top, like so. And then if you have a sub menu like this with your mobile data and Wi-Fi, we want to drag it down in even further so we get the other options. Now right here somewhere for the Android users you should see, and for the iPhone users you should see the screen recording feature. So if we just drag it to the side, as you can see, we have a built-in screen recorder right here next to vibrate. So all you want to do in order to record your gameplay or Roblox gameplay is click on the screen recorder, and it will immediately begin recording all of your footage on Roblox. It works the same way for iPhone users as well. So that's where you can find your screen recorder on your phone, and basically just open up the Roblox app and then you should be good to go. You can record your screen now. So I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.